Hello everyone and welcome back. Samsung has started rolling out the Stable One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54 along with the May 2026 security patch. The update is now reaching users in South Korea, India and several European countries. The good news is that both beta testers and regular users are receiving the update. One UI 8.5 brings several useful improvements that make the overall experience feel more modern and polished. One of the biggest changes is the redesigned quick panel. Samsung has introduced a new frosted glass look that gives the interface a cleaner appearance. More importantly, users can now resize and rearrange quick setting toggles much more freely. Earlier, you had to follow a fixed grid layout, but now customization is much easier and more flexible. The camera app is also getting attention with this update. Samsung has improved camera stability, which should help provide a smoother experience during photo and video capture. While this may not sound like a major feature, stability improvements are always important for daily use. Another new addition is direct voicemail. This feature uses Samsung's built-in text-to-speech engine to handle voicemail-related functions more smoothly and naturally. However, there are some features that remain exclusive to flagship Galaxy devices. Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54 users will not get features such as call screening, Apple AirDrop support, Creative Studio, or horizontal lock. Even with those limitations, One UI 8.5 still delivers plenty of useful upgrades and quality of life improvements. The refreshed design, better customization options, camera enhancements, and new features make this a solid update for Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54 users. Have you received the One UI 8.5 update on your device yet? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung updates.